So hello friends, welcome to my channel and coaching center. So today I'm going to explain your 9th standard maths, that is 14th chapter, that is statistics. So let's come to the chapter statistics. So given 5 examples of data that you can collect from the like is the number of females per thousand minutes, rainfall in our city in last 12 months, etc. So next exercise, that is 14.2. So let's come to the first sum, that is, so here they have given that the 30 students of class 8 are recorded of 20 A, B, O, A, B, so like that. And in the graph AB is, or in the statistic, AB has student AB who has A blood group, that is 9, B is the 0, I think, and AB is 5 and O is 12. People have O blood group and totally 30 people students are there total happened. So therefore it is apparent that clearly that here they have given that common, so represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. We have represented which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. So the common blood group is O and AB. AB is the common blood group and respectively as 12 they both are, and 3 O is, so therefore maximum material may have their blood group as O and 3 have their blood group as AB. Next here they have given in the graph 40 engineers they are studying. So like this you have to write, so total max sheet, the engineers who are working for a day. So there 40 engineers are there who comes from 5 km 25 km till. So here you have to write distance, how much, 0, 5, 5 to 10 till 30 to 35 you have to write total. Next total marks 5. Here in total marks you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you slash that is 5 it will become, so 5 here see 10, 11, so totally 40. So the classes in the table are not overlapping. Also 36 out of 40 engineers have their houses near 20 kilometers. So here 20 to 25 is near is 36 minus 4 you have to do, so that's why. Next is here in this relative humidity of a certain city they have given the humidity, and the question is construct a group of frequency distribution with class 84, 86, 86, 88 like this. And the next is which month or season do you think this data is about, and what is the range of data we have to tell. So like this you have to say, and the number of days is here you have to see in this table in 30 days how much is there, 86 or 84 to 86 here how much is there, 1, and total is 30, like this one you have to write. Next here it can be observed that the relative humidity is high, therefore the data is about a month of rainy season. So humidity is high means it is a rainy season, and the range of date is equal to minimum, so maximum value minus minimum value. So 99.2 is the maximum value minus minimum value is 84.9, that is 85, is equal to 14.3 is the total value. Range of data is like this you have to find. Next year they have given 50 students measured as the nearest centimeter is here they have given. And next is we have to represent the data given above in the frequency distribution table, and also what can you conclude for both their height from the table. So like this we have to make the table, frequency table, about their height from 160 to 5 centimeter we have to make. Next 50% of the students are shorter than 165 here, 50% of students are shorter than 165 here, 50% are shorter than 165. Then next is like this we can conclude this, how much you can give conclusion. Next year so a study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air per million of a certain city in 30 days. So here we have to write 0, so here we have to make a group of 0.04 to 0.08 like this. So 0.00 to 0.44, 0.4 to 0.8 like this. We got 30 we have got. So therefore 8 days SO2 the concentration is 0.11 ppm because required number of days is 12 plus 4 plus 2. So 2 plus 4 plus 2. So therefore 8 days, 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 8 days. So 2, 4 plus 2, 8 days. So therefore it is 11 mpm we have got. Next 3 coins are tossed 30 times. So we have got like this. So here they have given, we have to write how much heads you have got. 0, 1, 2, 3 times. So number of times we have got heads is 6, 10, 9, 5, 30 totally. Like this we have to do. Next here they have given 50 decimal places is given. So we have to write the frequency distance of the digits of 0 to 9, 0 and 9 after the decimal point. And we have to reach the frequency. So 0 to 9 we have to write. 0 is digit is frequency is 2. 0 is here how much 0 frequency we have got. See here only 2. Here 10, 502 and here 510. They are only 2. And 1 is 1, 2, 3. Here you have to calculate. See how much 1 they have given 5. 2 is they have given how much 5 times. 3 they have given 8 times 3 they have given. And 4 times. And 5 times they have given. And 6 they have given 4 times. 7 they have given 4 times. 8 they have given 5 times. And 9 they have given 8 times. So totally 50 numbers are there. And also we have to, second question is what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits, or the frequently occurring digits are least frequent 2 of digit 0, and the maximum frequency is 8 of digit 3 and 9. Therefore the most frequently occurring digit are 3 and 9, and at least frequency occurring digit is 0. It is 0. Next here 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV program in previous week. So here they have given like this. So 0 to 5 hours 10, 5 to 10 13, 10 to 5 15 5, and 15 to 20 only 2. So how many children watch television for 15 or more hours in a week? So 15 or more is so only 2 15 more means here 15 to 20, so 2, like that. Next is here they have given a company manufactured car batteries of a particular type, and 40 such batteries were recorded as following. So here we have to give construct here we have to construct. So like this we have to make 2 to 25 2.5 2 batteries like this. Totally we have to write the number of batteries, 5 or 2 they how they give. Next we have to write here how much 40 batteries are, like that. Next a survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between age 15 to 45. So here they have found that reproductive health condition is 31.8, neuropsychiatria condition is 25.4, injury is 12.4, cardiovascular condition 4.3, respiratory condition 4.1, other causes are 22.0. So later we have to represent the information given above graphically. So like this you have to make a bar graph, and you have to see here the y here x-axis, and here you have to write the rate, how much they are dying, for how much years they have given there, or how much years they are dying. 30 years here they have given 31.8% means 32. Here you have to see 32 till 32, and here you have to write in the y-axis you have to write the for which causes they are dying. And second question is they asked is which condition is the major cause of women in health. So the reproductive health is the major cause, as you can see 31.8 is the reproductive cause the women are in. And let us find with the help of your teacher any 2 factors which play an important role in cause of above being the major cause. So lack of medical facility and lack of knowledge treatment is the main cause that are happening because of we are getting more death. Next, so next is, so here next they have given a graph. So the following data on the number of girls birth 1000 born in the different sections of Indian society is given. So schedule caste is 940, these are given. So we have to represent it in the graph. So like this we have represented it in the graph. You have to write here x-axis the number of girls 1000, 100, 200, 300, how much they have given, like that. and here for how much here you have to write x-axis the name SCST or what they have given, rural, urban, like this you have to write, and you have to write the bar graph. Next here they have given, so in the class what conclusion can be arrived from the graph. So we have got the conclusion that the number of girls per 1000 boys is greater in the rural area than the urban area, and backward districts than the non-backward district, and SC and ST than the non-SC and ST. There are more. Next, here also they have given a political chart. Political party A, B, C, D, E, F they have given, and seats one is 75, 55, 37, 29, 10, 37, and which political party won the maximum number of seats is 75. So totally 75. A is won the maximum number of seats. Like this you have to write the graph. Political parties A, B, C, D, E, F you have to write till number. Here you have to write 10, 5, 10, 100. You have to decide by seeing the question how much you want to write. You want to make this centimeter. And next is the length of the 40 leaves of a plant are measured correctly to 1 millimeter, and the obtained data is represented in the following table, that is 110 to 126 3 is, and 127 to 135 is 6, and there are also 145 to 153 is 12, and 154 to 162 is 5, like this. And we have to, here they have given the question, and here we have done the graph how much they have given. Here they have given the question, so like this we have to make, and the centimeter here we have to take, and we have to write the graph. So okay friends, till here it is enough. So I will explain the other concepts of your chapter statistics in my next video. So till here you understand anything, so like the video, comment on the subscribe my channel, for more videos. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear.